This question comes from the website CollegeVine and is question number 1 of the 15 hardest SAT math questions. So you're given two sets of inequalities. Y is less than or equal to negative 15x plus 3,000 and y is less than or equal to 5x. And in the xy plane, if a point with coordinates a, b lies in the solution set of the system of inequalities above, what is the maximum possible value of b? So the best way to approach this question is to first graph these two lines. So the two lines I'm going to graph are y equals negative 15x plus 3,000 and y equals 5x. Y equals 5x is very simple. It looks like this. It passes through the origin and the other line, y is equal to negative 15x plus 3,000, you can tell immediately that the y-intercept is at 3,000. And what's the x-intercept? You can find the x-intercept by setting y equal to 0 and then solving for the value of x. And in this case, 15x is equal to 3,000. So x is equal to 3,000 over 15, which is 200. So x-intercept would lie around here. And yeah, my graph isn't really drawn to scale, but you get the point. And this line is equal to y equals negative 15x plus 3,000. Now let's look at the inequality. We're not really looking at these two lines, but we want anything less than these two lines. So let me find my highlighter. And so the first line is, first area is anything that's below this line. That's what the inequality suggests. So all this area, anywhere. And then the second line, y is equal to 5x. That's anything below this y is equal to 5x line. What we want is point or set of points that lie below both of these lines, and that is this intersecting area over here, this area. And from this graph, you can immediately tell that the point of intersection right here between the two lines is the point that produces the highest y value. So that would be B, this would be A. Now that you know this fact, all you have to do is to find the coordinate of this point of intersection. And how do I do that? You can do that by setting the two equations equal to each other, like so. Negative 15x plus 3,000 is equal to 5x. I'm going to rearrange equations, move the 15x to the other side. So you have 20x is equal to 3,000, and x is equal to 3,000 over 20, or 150. But we're not done yet because that's just the a. So a is 150. Now to find b, or y, you just have to plug into either of these two equations. I'm going to pick the second one since it's simpler. So 5 times 150 gives you 750. So the maximum possible value of b is 750.